Nakakatakot kasi up until this moment, many of the persons living with HIV have not disclosed even to their closest family because there is still that fear, there is still that stigma. Ako po si Irene Fonasher Felizar, kaya nga Tita If. Kasalukuyan, ako po ay ang Pangulo ng AIDS Society of the Philippines Board of Trustees.
Ako naman po si Elsa Chia, Project Officer ng AIDS Society of the Philippines.
Kasama po natin ang mga advocates who are really pushing for human rights, changes in policies, programs, and services related to HIV. We say people living with HIV. If we want to emphasize based on gender, then we say women living with HIV, or maybe even a transgender women living with HIV. It's the living with HIV that's very important. It's hopeful. It already indicates how much they're going through. There is stigma attached to HIV. Women who may suddenly feel that they have been exposed, who were sexually violated. There's another stigma layer there. That there are quite a lot of facilities waiting for many more women to come forward. Pero hindi pa rin ganon karami. We've been here for more than 30 years. Tagal na natin, no? So ano ba talaga? Nakakatakot kasi up until this moment. Many of the persons living with HIV have not disclosed even to their closest family because there is still that fear, there is still that stigma. Kaya ito yung focus ng work namin ngayon is to make sure that we're able to break down the barriers that will make it easy for anyone to come forward, go to the facilities. Are women less likely to get HIV? Our answer is everyone is truly vulnerable if we do not pay attention to providing the safeguards.
Distinct yung burden ng isang nanay or women, mas priority mo na alagaan yung asawa, yung mga anak, compare sa sarili. Base po sa ng mga Pilipino, pagka halimbawa ako ay taga-Antipolo, hindi ako mag-access ng services sa Antipolo kasi maraming marites doon. So maaaring ikikwento ako ng kakilala kong nurse doon. So inililink namin sa pinakamalapit or kung saan sila na comfortable at hindi sila madi-discriminate.
Reproductive Act 11166 has provisions specifically of women and girls. Early this year, we had Republic Act 11596, which bans child marriage. Republic Act 11648, which raised the minimum age of sexual consent. Para sa mga legislators, you are the duty bearers. Make it easy for us to work with you. How do we make all these laws really work with each other? Hindi nawawala sa mga mata namin ang usapin ng mga kababaihan at ng mga bata at kabataan.
Ang AIDS Society po ay nandito para gumabay at tumulong sa lahat pong nangangailangan ng serbisyo in terms of disclosure, counseling, and referral to facility.
Andito ang isang tita at isang atin para maging kasama nyo, anuman ang edad, anuman ang kasarian.
Welcome kayo kay AIDS Society.